the young ones are on the way. It looks for Amabrias and Stocker and Afrikaans said worms. Mama Kama thistles amanyeva. And it go you for amanyeva. Natola manyeva, it will build the nest namanyeva. After that it will go and hunt for a rabbit or it will hunt for a sheep. And take the fur, the outside, the external part. It will take the fur and put it within the nest. Labantwana nabazara, but don't get their shisa, but one of the fluffy stuff in the nest. But the more they eat, by a nona, nabanona, Bessel and this soft air, Bessel amangeva, actually, and the Nabashaba, Bessel amanga, with the mama Jezega, Lalera, Bessuma Mutata de Shagan, Utata Labantuana, he put them on the rock, Etuale, Lalera, Bessumama take the nest, and mommy will ravish the nest, mommy will break the nest, mommy will shake the nest, mommy will stir the nest. There comes a time where God will take you and God will stir the pride out of you. God will stir the jealousy out of you. God will stir the hatred out of you. Number 3. This is the last part. This is the last part. They call it the mopping stage, the second last part. They call it the mopping stage of the eagle. Let's say the mopping stage of an eagle. Yes, yes, sir. At the age of 40, 45, an eagle cannot mount anymore. It becomes tired. The beak becomes blunt. The claws becomes blunt. The feathers become heavy for the eagle. It can no longer, and because it's the only bird that can face the sun and look the sun at the sun. Its abilities like that. But of course, in a on the rock, it must decide, do I die or do I live on? Naliti, I want to live on. The tata lomlomo sheba, lomlomo kulma bantugabi, and he shine on the rock, you shy, and it will hit the beard, you shy, not that the Rombo ends and after the beard has fallen, without water and food, because there's nothing to chew with. Now it speaks the things of God, after that, it will take the claws.